What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome for your first time. We got lots of content on the channel, a lot of stuff we're doing, builds, racing, you name it, we got it all. Today we're going to be covering some upcoming stuff going on, so stay tuned. All right, so we have Street Car Takeover going on next weekend, and we are getting everybody in town prepped and ready to go to head out there. It's going to be a great time. A lot of cars, a lot of racing, a lot of fun. I'm actually getting ready to go to Florida for a few days to take a vacation with the family, but we're going to talk, you know, what we're doing to get ready for Street Car Takeover. There's a lot of people local here that have a lot of bad cars that you guys have seen on the channel already, from you know, the local drag strip, the streets, whatever. You can see those in the previous videos. But basically what I'm going to talk over is, you know, what we got going on. So in videos coming up, we're gonna have, you know, some cars that are prepping for Street Car Takeover, giving you a look at what we're gonna be going out there with. Some people are asking, you know, am I doing anything with the Freedom Taxi at Street Car Takeover? No, probably not. It'll be there. Probably not going to be doing any kind of racing. Maybe if there's like a test and tune or something like that, or whatever, if there's time. It's just going to be really busy there. Car doesn't have anything impressive right now, but we are going to be rolling down with a lot of cars. We got Vets, CTSVs, Chevy SS's, we got you know, Eagle Talons, we got 280Zs with LS swap turbos in them. Like, we got a ton of stuff going down there from this local area. It's actually in Bowling Green, Kentucky, by the National Corvette Museum. It's where Street Car Takeover is going to be next Saturday on the 4th of August. So there's going to be a lot of stuff coming at you on the channel. We got some prepping stuff going on next week. I'll be personally cleaning up some cars so that they're ready for the event. You know, helping some people get some last minute installs done. So you'll see that on upcoming videos. You know, rewiring some nitrous kits, filming some big installs with people, you know, literally bringing their cars to the shop this week, next week, to get stuff put in, get cars retuned, and get all dialed in for the event. So it's going to be a race, if you will, to make it to Street Car Takeover with a lot of these cars. You know, people's cars have been breaking throughout the season, or they're just finishing them, you know, because of certain circumstances, whatnot. But it'll be a great time, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the channel and the content that we're bringing you. I'm having a blast doing this for you guys, and you know, I appreciate all of you guys. You know, we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're slowly climbing from there. So if you haven't already, hit the like button in this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, a lot of content coming, and good times, so make sure you stay tuned for all that. The thing I'm most excited about is the event itself. We have so many people, and I know so many cars that are going to be there that are so impressive, and I can't wait to capture them on video for you guys and show you, you know, what this area of Tennessee like has to offer as far as cars. It's unreal, some of these cars that are around this area and how fast they are. We got cars that are you know, mid to high 5-second cars in the eighth, you know, at between 115 and 130 miles an hour in the eighth. It's absolutely crazy. We got some really mean street cars, you know, that are insane, that are running, you know, low sixes in the eighth and high sixes in the eighth. I mean, full street cars with full weight, full interior. It's wild. We got some new filming equipment for the event. Filming on some of it right now. Got some new mounts for the car that I can take in and out for, you know, camera cars, stuff like that. So there'll be a lot of footage too. And after the event, there's a huge trip going down to Mexico, and there's going to be a lot of racing going on there. So I'm super pumped to get, you know, all the footage for you guys. You know, if you can't make it to Street Car Takeover, don't worry, I got you, and we will have it on the channel for you. I'm also thinking about doing maybe like a live stream on Facebook at the event, so you guys can see, you know, live action of what's going on and stuff like that in between filming. But it's going to be a great time, and I hope you guys come along for the ride. If you can't make it, I'm sorry you can't make it. I know they have a bunch of events throughout the U.S. Through the season, so that'll be good. On my way to get a haircut right now with my son. We leave for Florida tomorrow. Yeah, be a good time. All right, so we're back from Florida. It was a great time. Did a lot of fun things, relaxed, enjoyed ourselves. Went on a airboat ride, one of those boats with the giant fans on the back with a big V8 motor. It was sweet. You can see that right here. It was awesome. I had a blast. I'm sad to be back, but you know, we got a lot of cool things coming this week. A lot of videos for you guys to look forward to. Got some sweet cars, like I mentioned before, that are getting ready for the event. I'm trying to make it over to Roy's house in the next couple days here, maybe today. He's got a buddy that used to live here that is coming into town bringing his Corvette. It has some serious work done to it, and it's getting even more. They're trying to put all this stuff in and get it on the dyno here down in Nashville to get it ready for the event. Should be interesting. It's going to be a race, like I said before, to get everybody's stuff finished. I plan on cleaning up a couple cars for people that, you know, want their car looking good and fresh for the event. And that's it. So you guys will see a few more videos coming this week. Make sure you stay tuned. Hit that like button if you haven't already. I know this video is kind of hodgepodge together and whatnot, but you guys continue to support, and I appreciate it. More action coming in the next videos, I promise. But that's going to do it for this time. We will see you later. Peace.